Question of the week is, how do you use a policy loan for business? People are often familiar with using policy loans for personal reasons. They'll build up money in a policy cash values. They might use this money to refinance debt and pay it back. And they might use the money to finance personal expenses and pay it back. But as cash value builds up here and they don't necessarily have personal expenses the question comes up, can you use this policy loan for business purposes or even for an investment? The answer is yes. And we'll look at the flow of money here. The insurance company your policy is with is over here. Your business account is over here. And right here in the center, we have a money manager account. Now this account is a personal checking account. It's very similar to your everyday personal checking account, but it is separate from that account because you don't want to accidentally spend the money that's going through here. So the flow of the money comes from the policy loan, the insurance company, goes into the money manager account, and then from here, it goes into the business account. And so this account basically acted as a clearinghouse. You now have a paper trail that the money came from the insurance company and went to the business. Now, on the way back, as your business makes repayments back, a little bit of the money is going to come back into here, and then it's going to eventually end up over here as the payments translate over here. But first, we need some documents involved. We have some amortization schedules and some documents that need to be tracked here. So let's say that you decide to charge your business 8% on this loan that you gave to your business. Well, if it's a $50,000 loan, then payments on that over 4 years are going to be about $1,200 a month. So you're going to start making payments from here back to here a little bit each month. And then there's also an amortization schedule that's between you and the insurance company. Let's say the insurance company is charging 5% on the policy loan. Well, you want to set the repayments to be the same $1,220.65 that the business is paying you back because you're no longer using that money for business purposes, and so it's going to flow back through over to the policy loan. Now you can let a few months of payments build up here, but eventually it's going to end up back over here. There's also some documents that are needed between you and your business. A promissory note, the company or corporation is going to need minutes of the special meeting that they're deciding to take this policy loan. And there's also a waiver of notice of special meeting document that goes with that. And then we have some interesting things for tax purposes because this interest, this 8% interest, is a tax deduction for the business, interest income for you personally. This 5%, because you borrowed the money for a business purpose, is a tax deduction for you personally. So that's a benefit that you get with a business loan that you don't get with just any personal loan. These documents are easy to set up, but there are some tips to make it even easier if you're doing this often. So you can call our office at 702-660-7000. We can help you with those tips. And to create these amortizations and documents, we have a system on moneytools.net that you can use to create the amortization schedules and the documents and to keep everything tracked and in order. So there you have it, how to create a business loan and documents associated with it. Question of the week.